William Wegman, Jolla Vista View, 1988.
Bill Wegman is mostly known for his very funny and quite beautiful photographs where he uses his Weimaraner in various poses, but he is also a really interesting painter and draftsman. I ran into him in a party in Los Angeles and I said, "Have you ever done any outdoor sculpture?" And he said, well, he had as a graduate student. And I said, well, would you be at all interested in coming to San Diego and looking around? At the Stuart Collection, we like to think of artists that have not necessarily had any experience in public art. We walked around and got to the southern end of the campus. There was a hill looking out over all of this condo and commercial development. And he thought, this is kind of interesting. And maybe he would make a parody of a road sign scenic overlook. So then we went around to all the parks in San Diego and checked out what their qualities were and what the physical attributes of those things were. The bronze plaque has depicted on it exactly what you're looking at, but it's what you were looking at in 1986. And since then, of course, there's been a whole lot of development. So it becomes a kind of time marker of what this used to look like.
It's now developed, and through that development, the greenery has come up. It's prettier and more natural looking than the panoramic drawing depicts. Unexpectedly, this piece has a positive side to it. It's not just this straightforward irony. It has evolved into something that seems more positive. And yet, there's a greater irony in that all the greenery you see is artificially watered. Almost all of the new vegetation you see from this overlook is watered by California's great reservoir, the Sierra Snowpack, which is disappearing faster year by year. The place itself has also evolved as a kind of amenity for the several buildings that are now adjacent to it. It is used in practical ways by people every day. This idea has made a home for itself, as art tends to do when it's launched into public space and done things that were not originally intended.